Well, welcome to this Excel help video, which is called Flash Fill. This is something which a lot of people are raving about because it does some kind of filling in of data for you automatically. I don't really use it that much because I'm more making spreadsheets for people like you rather than using spreadsheets like you would do. So yeah, this is something I don't use very often, but it is very, very, very useful when you're filling in data. I'm going to show you how it works. Let's just say you've got a list of names. You've got a list of names there and you want to change some of, you want to put those names in a different format. So for example, you've got the first name, you've got the surname, but what you actually want to do is you actually want to be able to put in Sumner and then Richard. And you want to do that throughout the entire list. Now, yes, there are ways you can do that with formulas, and you can just say, for example, you can use a consat formula to put the first name, comma, surname, comma, first name, and then copy it down. But the flash fill, when you're actually filling in data, is very, very useful. I'm going to take that out for a second. I'm just going to show you what I mean by flash fill. So when you go to the data tab, and you can see you've got flash fill. When you click on the flash fill now, it says, it looks at this data and it doesn't know what to do with it. It doesn't see a pattern. So it says to use the flash fill, enter a couple of examples of the output you'd like to see, and then click the flash fill button. So what we do, we only really need to enter one in this case. I think it should pick it up. So if we say, for example, Sumner, Richard, because this is clear and there's all these are first names, all of those are second names, and we've told it what to do. If you go to the next cell, flash fill should work. You click on flash fill, there we go. Everything has done exactly the same format. So it knows what you do. Sometimes you might have to do one or two lines. If the data is not quite as clear as what this one is, you do one or two lines, and then it should try and pick up what you're doing. It's not 100% foolproof. Sometimes it might get wrong, but if it's the same format like this one and it's pretty clear what it needs to do, it should get it right. Sometimes even when if you're filling in, let's see if it happens here. It doesn't always happen. Sometimes when you're actually filling it in, no, it's not doing it now. It will actually automatically suggest those names, and you can just simply click on them. But if it doesn't, and you fill in the first one and it's all the same all the way down, go to flash fill, click it in, and see what it does. You can always try it. If it doesn't work and doesn't get what you want right, then add a few more names and then try it again. If it still doesn't get what you want right, then eventually you just give up and do it manually or use formulas. But some of the time that flash fill is very, very useful depending on what you want to do and if you want to be able to do it all the way down. So yeah, if you are filling in copious amounts of data along these kind of lines, then hopefully that will help you. And if it does, I hope it saves you loads of time and effort. Thank you very much.